Morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So we have given the introduction for um, triangles of areas related to triangles, similar triangles. Okay. I hope people have revised that thing. Can anybody recap the thing what you have done yesterday? Anyone? If we have two different triangles ABC and PQR, then what will we say from here? If they are similar, what will I say about the area of triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR? Yes, anyone in the class that can say? It will be the squares of the corresponding sides, right? It will be either AB by PQ's whole square, or it will be AC by PR whole square, or it will be BC by QR whole square. Is there any doubts? Yes, no? Same thing that we are going to apply today. Shall we start off with the exercise? Yes or no? Confirm. This is our first exercise. No, yes. This is the first exercise. Can you see the question properly? Over here, this is exercise 6.4. ABC and DEF are your triangles. Clear? And they are similar to each other. This is already given in the question. Okay. Now their areas ratio is given. You have to, and one of the sides are given. You have to find the other proportional sides. So if we have a triangle ABC and a triangle DEF, ratio of the areas has been given, and they have already told that it's parallel, similar to each other. So area triangle ABC divided by area triangle DEF, this is equals to what? Anyone? Depending on the situation, we'll choose any one condition. EF has been given, right? EF has been given, so we'll take the corresponding sides as BC, and we are also asked to find BC. So it will be BC by EF whole square. Is there any query in this question? Confirm yes or no. Yes or no? So instead of area of triangle ABC, I'll write 64, it's given, and area of the triangle DEF, it's given to us as 121. Any doubts? Which is equals to BC will remain as it is, and EF will remain how much? 15.4 whole square. Now, how will you solve this? We'll solve it taking square roots. Both sides. What do we get? 8 by 11 is equals to BC by 115.4. Yes or no? And as soon as we solve it, what will we get? Cross multiply. BC equals to 15.4 into 8 by 11. This goes up. We'll be getting 1.6. We'll get 11.2. 11.2 BC centimeters. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes sir, no sir, confirm. First of all, you have to write the given portions over here, then you have to write whatever is given. Area triangle ABC is given, area triangle DEF is given, and EF has been given to us. So you ought not, you don't have to write all of these. You just write this is BC by EF whole square. Okay, kindly copy it from here. Your answer will boil down to 11.2. I'm pausing the video, please copy it down. That you have completed it, we'll move on to the next section. Okay. Question number 2 now. Very interesting one. It says that the diagonals of trapezium ABCD, this thing's shifting like anything. AB is parallel to DC. Clear? Now you have to, and the diagonals intersect at point O. You have, and given that AB is twice of DC. So can I write AB by DC is equals to 2 by 1? Will I be wrong if I write it like this? Confirm? Yes or no? just cross multiply, this will come down. Now why I have written like this, we'll get to know in the coming part. So we have to show that the area for this triangle and this triangles are in the ratio. We have to find the area of these two triangles. Clear? So before trying to find the area, we'll have to show that these two triangles are similar. Yes or no? So can anybody tell me what will be the criteria for the similarity? This will be equal to this, yes or no? Vertically opposite angles. Yes or no, sir? And angle 2 will be equal to angle 1, as well as angle 4 will be equal to angle 3. So with angle criteria, can we say that these both triangles are similar to each other? Yes sir or no sir? Confirm. Okay. Once they are similar to each other, can we say that the area triangle AOB divided by area triangle DOC will be equal to how much? Any of the two corresponding sides, but out here two corresponding sides have been given, the value has been given to us, so we'll choose AB and DC. So AB by DC whole square. Yes or no? So AB is 2, DC is 1, and this will be termed as equation 1, and out here you will have to write that from 1. Is it clear? So area for these two triangles ratio will be in the form of 4:1. Is this numerical absolutely clear in everybody's mind? Confirm everyone. Please copy the figure now and prove the similarity, and then area for the triangle AOB will be the ratio of 4:1, your final required answer. Please copy it down. Hurry up, I'm pausing the video for everybody to copy it down. I hope many of you have already done it. So question number 3 is right here. I don't know why is this like this. This figure should not be there. Now please start doing this question on your own. Let's see how many can do it, or anybody can give me suggestions that how will you proceed with this numerical. First read the question carefully. ABC and DBC are two different triangles having the same base. Same base. AD intersects BC at O, intersecting at point O. We have to show that these two triangles area are in the ratio of AO is to DO. Very simple but very conceptual. Very simple but very conceptual numerical. Let's see if anybody can figure it out. See, I'll just give you a basic outline of this numerical. First, we'll draw a perpendicular divided. Clear? Perpendicular AB on BC and then perpendicular DM on BC. Clear? Now, what will be the area for the entire triangle ABC? Half into base into height. Base is how much? BC. Height is how much? AP. Any doubt? If we divide it by area triangle DBC, what will we have? Half into base into height, right? Half into base into height is how much? DM, yes sir, no sir. Half gone, BC gone. We are getting AP by DM. So whether is this required or not, tell me though, but we are required AO by DO or AP by DM. We are asked to prove AO by DO, no? So we'll see very closely that there are two triangles formed out here. Now if somehow we prove that these two triangles are similar, we can write AP by DM equals to AO by DO, right or not? Tell me now. Can anybody tell me how will you prove these two triangles similar? Anyone from the class? Yes, anyone? No one? Everything is out there. These two triangles, everything is given, vertically opposite angles, and then 90 degree, 90 degree. So by angle criteria, I can say that these two triangles are similar, and once they are similar, the corresponding sides will be proportional. So AP by DM can easily be written as AO by OD, which was asked to prove. Yes sir, no sir, is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes or no? Oh, Devashish, that's extremely early for the class. Devashish, you are expected to attend the classes on time. Why are you so late? Then why do I have to give a text twice in your class that you have to attend the classes regularly? Don't you think it's your responsibility to join the classes on time? Now kindly copy this question. Devashish, kindly go through this question properly. I'll pause the video and explain it to you again. Now does anyone has any queries regarding this numerical? Please confirm. I'm pausing the video. Trideep and all, can we move on to the next one? I hope people are done with this. Question number 4 coming up, everyone. Now can anybody use your brain in this? You'll have exactly 3 minutes of time to spend some time and check whether how will you prove it. Over here I'll just give you an outline. If area of the two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. These are two similar triangles, okay? And the area they have already told that if they are equal, if area triangle ABC is equals to area triangle PQR, prove that they are congruent. But they have already told that these two triangles are similar. This numerical you'll have to do it on your own, and you'll have to share your screen and show it to me how to do it. Is it clear to everyone what is actually given in the question? Please draw the figure, write the given part, and then write the to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ and R. I'm pausing the video so that you could try it off. Look very carefully. Since these two triangles are similar, all the angles will be equal. Yes or no, sir? Tell me though. All the angles will be equal, right? And of course, since these triangles are similar, of ABC and PQR will be equal to BC square by QR square. Do you all agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? And since these two triangles are having equal area, we can say BC is equals to QR. Right? See, BC square by QR square will be equals to 1 because area triangle ABC and area triangle PQR are equal. Yes or no, sir? So obviously this will go out there. So BC will be equals to QR. Agreed? This will be equation 1. One side I have already proved equal. Similarly, I can say AB will be equals to PQ and AC will be equals to done. AC will be equals to how much? PR. So by SSS criteria, can we say that these two triangles are similar? Was it so difficult? Anyone? I hope this numerical is understood by everyone. Yes or no, sir? Confirm? Is it clear to everyone? Please copy it down. I'm pausing the video. By the time you copy it down, you have to copy the homework for today also, as well as you have to complete the homework for your assignments given in Google form. You have to complete those questions and submit it. It will hardly take around 10 to 15 minutes to do those numericals, because all are of MCQ forms. Clear now? If anybody has any doubts on the class,